Let's talk about taking ownership of your career path. Learn to stop outsourcing your career strategy. But before we go further, I'm Denise Miller, your Leadership Lady Live, and I invite you to like and subscribe to this channel and to follow me, and then to share a link with someone who you know can use this information, and then invite them to join you. Now, let's talk about our career focus and strategy. The first thing that you need to do is understand where you want to go. And that may differ from where your company wants you or where your family and friends think you should be. Take some time. Think deeply about where you want to go, about the kind of work that you want to do, about the kind of work that lights you up and makes you excited. Then spend some time before this month is over to get clear about the kind of work that energizes you. Yes, again, where do you want to be next year, this time? Where do you want to be in 5 years or 10 years? Make this mindset shift. Your career is your responsibility. Yes, I said it again. And I can say this because I spent probably the first 10 years of my corporate career letting everyone else direct my career but me. So I invite you to read, to learn, to attend seminars and webinars, seek mentors, take on stretch projects at your work, and ask sometimes even for additional work because these are the actions that build the skills that make you valuable anywhere. And once again, I can tell you it worked well for me. It works well for many others. It will work well for you. Make sure that your career moves and your job changes are strategic and not reactive. Making job changes out of ego or out of emotions and career moves that really speak to your irritation and your upset are really escapes and not strategies. Make moves instead that align with where you want to go. And that will help you to learn what you need to learn to get there. Surround yourself with people who challenge you to grow. Sometimes we are surrounded with people who are complaining and not wanting you to grow. So make up your mind to really take a look at who you're with and what their intentions are for you and for themselves. If they're not growing, they're not going to help you grow either. And often, remember that the best move is staying and advocating for what you want or need right in the place where your career is right now. Sometimes it's leaving, but whatever you decide to do, make it intentional. Now, I give you one action step to do between now and the end of the year. Block 2 hours sometime in the next week for career planning. Review where you are, define where you want to be, and then identify 3 actions that will move you closer. Because in 2026, remember, your career success depends on how well you lead yourself through uncertainty, through growth, through opportunity. Remember that the biggest career move that most people make is waiting for someone else to manage their career instead of doing it for themselves. And that, unfortunately, is not the best career move. You must learn that no one cares about your career as much as you do. So allow that understanding to empower you and let's do some strategic work. Stop waiting for your boss to notice your hard work. Now, I'd like you to think about that, to go out and purchase a journal. Get one from the 99-cent store. Get one of those marble hard-covered notebooks and begin to write. Begin to strategize. Begin to think into what you really want. And then let's get busy and get ready for 2026. Have a great balance of the day, and I will see you on our next video for our team tip. Take care and be well.